Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, we will be organizing underneath my kitchen sink. So this is the before picture. It is just trashed under there. A little closer look, I've got bags and bottles and containers and just everything is everywhere and does not have a place. So I emptied out the cabinet and discovered a little bit of water here. Not quite sure what that's about, and it looks like super gross. Is that like, yep, that's mold. That's awesome. So I will obviously be taking some bleach and cleaning this cabinet. Then I'm gonna let it dry and lay down the little mats that you lay down. Can't think of the name for it, but I'm gonna lay those down and then start putting things back in more strategically. Quick life hack. I took one of the Dollar Tree shower caddies and some command hooks, and I hung this up to organize my bug spray and bar soap along with my industrial size garbage bags. So as you can see, I'm just sticking the command hook on, and now I'm just going to double check to make sure that as it hangs the door will still shut, and it works perfectly. Now I have this big box that I had some foggers in, and I didn't want to get rid of it because it has really important information, so I ripped off some of the sides and then I was able to flatten it, and it fits perfectly right behind. And this is the finished product. I've got my bug sprays all contained in one safe place. Then I have my gigantic bars of Zote soap. And I have my industrial garbage bag, which hangs off the little hooks, like between the hooks. It's so convenient. And the best part, everything fits and the door closes smoothly. Yay! Here is my prettier and so much cleaner under the sink storage. As you can see, everything has its place, everything is in a row. I kept all my bottles and my soaps together. I kept all of my little sponges and napkins and extra trash bags inside my extra bucket. And the 3 bottles you see in the front are the 3 I use the most. And right here in this purple bucket is another organization hack for you. So these are all of the cleaning items that I use regularly. So for the bathroom, got Ajax for the floors, there's Muffler's oil, we've got furniture spray, my disinfecting wipes, and Windex. So I take this bucket and I take it from room to room, and I'm able to clean everything without having to keep going back to the kitchen to get what I need. Quick update before I go. The mold that was in the cabinet was due to a leak in my faucet, so the actual whole faucet piece had a leak in it, and so I had to caulk all around it, and that stopped it. So grab you some dollar store caulk if you need it, and problems will be fixed. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Please give this video a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe because I've got all different types of videos coming at you. Alright, have a great day. Wash your hands.